You're going to take the penny, put it on the stand, cover that penny, hocus pocus, and it's now become a dime. That's amazing, isn't it? But let's take this dime, put it out on the table like that, and cover the stand one more time. Hocus pocus abracadabra, and it has now become a penny. Now, let's cover this one more time. Hocus pocus abracadabra, the penny has now disappeared. However, I've put it under the stand, and it's now a quarter. This is the coin and cup trick explanation. So, I just did 3 different versions of the coin and cup trick, and it used all of these pieces you see here. Here is the stand. This is a false cover for the stand, which the audience never ever sees. And it goes right on top of the stand, just like that. This is the cover for everything, which will then go on top of the stand. So we have the base, the false cover, and the cover, the real cover. Now, to do the first trick, just making this coin disappear, you put this on top of the stand. Now remember, there's a false cover here. You put it on top of the stand, and when you cover it with the real cover, what will happen is it'll disappear because the false cover is inside of the big cover. See that? It just covers it. And that's what makes the first penny disappear. Now, to do the second trick, you need to reset. However, before you put the false cover onto the stand, you place the dime underneath and you cover it with the false cover. This way, when you put the penny on top of the stand and you cover it with the cover, you wave the magic wand around, push down gently, there we go, into the dime. So right now the penny is in the cover, and that is the second version. Now, to make the third version, basically, I did the same thing. I set up the dime underneath, and I'm going to put the penny, but however, one more thing you have to do is put the quarter, palm it into your hand like this, and that will be there the whole time you do the trick. Now, if you don't show the audience that it's there, you put the penny on the stand, you cover the whole thing, tap the wand, and it should become the dime. Now, while you are talking about what they're seeing, you're loosening up the cover on the inside, and when I turn this dime out, I'm going to put the quarter into the base of the stand, and I'm going to turn the stand over on the table. So now you have the quarter underneath, the dime underneath. I'm going to put the false cover right back onto the stand, and that makes the penny reappear. If I put the cover back on again, push down, tap it, the penny disappears. This takes practice, folks. And now it's empty. However, if I lift the stand up, there you see the quarter. It's a little bit of practice and weave a story around this, so while you're talking, that your audience is distracted and they won't see what you're kind of doing over here. All right? Have fun with this one.